From food marks on the lounge to texture stains on the wall, kids are just messy.
Yeah, we've all been there, haven't we?
Oh, they're messy.
Luckily, there's plenty of cleaning hacks out there to get things looking brand spanking new. Organisation guru Anita has the secrets for us. Good morning, Anita. What's your #1 hack?
Good morning, everyone. Okay, first of all, permanent marker on the dining table. Now, we've all had our kids come and have a little colour in, sometimes with the Sharpies, and then they've lifted off the drawing and look at this. The masterpiece has been duplicated. Yeah, I know, you're all saying, yes, I can hear, I feel you, I hear you. So what I've got here, I've actually got these Diggers Green Power Graffiti Remover.
Oh.
It's water-based, okay, and it's biodegradable. Check this out. When you spray it on, I'm using this at the moment all over my house. It actually works on the walls outside as well. But look at the stain. It's just kind of lifting off. And the good thing about it is that if you have it on something like a dining table, you don't want to start using scourers and stuff because then you're going to take off that finish. So have a little look at this and then...
Oh, wow. Look at that. Just wipes
it
off.
Still gets me. Isn't that awesome?
Hey, Nate, do you still use Coca-Cola for cleaning? Do you do that too?
Yeah. Yes, and this is a classic. I've been using Coca-Cola for cleaning since I was a waitress down back in Bondi and you had to do the specials on a chalkboard, okay? This is the best way to clean a chalkboard because you see how even, you try to use a Windex or water or anything like that, it starts to look a bit shabby, doesn't it? So now look at the Coca-Cola. Use the Coca-Cola on it. Don't use a paper towel. It's a big no-no to use a paper towel because then it also leaves all that paper towel residue on it. It's going to come up brand new and black again.
Who knew?
Yeah, how good is, look at
the
that.
Black Doctor on the blackboard.
I love the
Yeah.
Coca-Cola. And then you can drink that Coke. You can. It's a two-bit.
Isn't that good?
A win for everyone. Now, what about pen ink? Because the kids are back at school, they come back with on their uniforms pen ink, or it gets on the toys. How do you get rid of that?
Okay. I see this on some of these cleaning groups all the time, is how do I get pen off a doll's face? Okay, you can Google all day long. This is the solution you need. You need anti-blemish cream with benzoyl peroxide. You need about 10% benzoyl peroxide. Pick it up from a pharmacy. And what I do is you just put it on a Q-tip and you want to kind of lather it on. Can you see that pen mark there?
Yep, we can see it. Yep.
And then I'm going to put it on like... Yeah, I'm putting it like this, so it's almost like it's a bit of an operating theatre I've got going here. Then what you do is you get a hairdryer and you're going to leave the hairdryer on it for about 5 minutes, okay? And I know we don't have 5 minutes now, but I will try and show you a little bit. Put it on medium heat and just let it sit there for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Another way to do it, I'll just tell you, I know. Another way to do it also, if you want to leave it out like overnight, throughout the day, is just put a bit of Glad wrap over it and put it in.
Perfect.
Oh no, she's frozen. Oh no, we've lost.
Do you know what? Can I share one of my tips?
Do you know what it was? It was the hairdryer. She shorted the whole house.
That's what happened. Everything went out.
That's happened to me.
Oh, are you back, Anita?
Can you see?
Oh,
look.
You're back.
Yeah, you're back. Good job.
Hey, it's gone. Hey, quickly before you go, Nix, what about the lunchbox smell? How do I get rid of that?
Oh, please.
Lunchbox smell, easy. I want you to get a paper towel, soak it in vinegar, leave it in the lunchbox because these can reek. They can really, really smell. Put vinegar on a paper towel, leave it overnight. If you see that hasn't worked, sprinkle some baking soda in as well. Again, we'll get rid of that smell. Please, can I show you this berry thing quickly? I've got to show you berry stains. I've got to show you.
Okay, real quick.
Very quick.
Quickly, strawberry berry stains, okay? For all those mums out there, all you need is boiling water. Check this out. Put it over a bowl and let the boiling water seep the stain through the garment. Chuck it in the wash afterwards.
You're the best, Nate. We'll leave it there. Anita Burgess, once again, killing it. For more organisation tips, head to misenplay.com.au. Coming up on today's show, we're going to meet the next generation of guys.